This video here is all about the fact that Slim Tide Reviews is going around and people want to know if it's a legitimate product. Slim Tide capsules, supplements for weight loss. And this is something that has all the makings of being a scam. I've seen lots of different scams like these over the years. This looks like just another one because it has scam marketing and no credible backing and no founder name and no information about where the staff is, where the product is bottled. I'll show you what I mean by all that. Hit the like button down below to help people stay away from this. That can help my video rise in Google search results and combat scam links and try to get people to not fall for this because it could come with subscription charges, hundreds of dollars a month, money back guarantee might not work, all that sort of stuff that's just standard in the scam world. So let's hit play on this video here. It's going to have Dr. Anya Jastreboff, I believe is how you say her name, Anya Jastreboff, and she has nothing to do with this. She's like a Yale doctor. It's going to be a deep fake AI depiction, meaning manipulated lip movement with AI generated audio. Oprah Winfrey has nothing to do with this. Jennifer Garner. No doctors, hospitals, universities, or celebrities have anything to do with this product. Slim Tide gummies, Slim Tide for weight loss. Do not trust this. I believe it's a capsule, not a gummy, but let's just go ahead here and hit play on the video.
Ladies, listen up. Never take this baking soda shot with these 2 secret ingredients if you don't want to see your pants falling off in 15 days.
Let's just quickly, I know I'm pausing quickly. The baking soda water shot, that's not real. That is a recipe promise that baking soda and a bunch of other ingredients are going to be able to do something amazing. And that's what this is all about. That is to hook you to watch this entire long video. By the end of the video, they'll show you Slim Tide capsules for weight loss. That's all it is. And this is not a miracle product. And again, no recipe will be revealed. The baking soda thing's a hook to get you to keep watching. Scammers do that all the time with these recipe promises that are not real or authentic.
Or at least never take it the right way. And I say this because I didn't know the right way to combine baking soda with these 2 ingredients for weight loss either. But once I discovered this new way of preparing baking soda with the right ingredients, my life completely changed. Well, I confess, at first I was super...
I don't know who that is, but it's definitely fake in the way of mouth movement and audio, or maybe the entire thing is fake. I can't really tell. It doesn't matter because this is fake, fraudulent, fictional. It is a scam. This thing about Slim Tide, advanced weight loss support, helping you lose weight, and it has celebrity backing and all this sort of stuff. No, it's all false. Scammers are doing whatever they can to get you to fall for this Slim Tide scam so that you end up giving away a lot of money for nothing in return, other than bottles being mailed to you that will not do what you hope they will do.
Skeptical, but I decided to try it, and wow, the results were incredible. In 15 days, I lost 24 pounds, and after 3 months, I lost 55 pounds. No crazy diets, no gym, no suffering, just taking this baking soda shot every morning.
I don't need to keep showing you a whole lot. I just want to give you a glimpse. So they're going to show Dr. Anya Jastreboff at a certain point, Oprah Winfrey, Jennifer Garner, other famous doctors, whatever. None of them have anything to do with this. It's all AI depictions, especially if you see them mixing something up in a kitchen, like a recipe, like a baking soda thing. That entire video clip that you would see is AI, not just the mouth movement and the audio, the entire clip. And that's where scams are going. So this is a scam. Slim Tide Advanced Weight Loss Support does not have any miracle properties. It's going to be difficult to find any information about who truly is behind the product. And that is not a mistake. One thing I really recommend if you did fall for this is to file a complaint with the Internet Crime Complaint Center, which is through the FBI. And that is on ic3.gov. The 3 is the numeral 3, so just 3 characters, ic3.gov. And they will be able to help you, hopefully, or at least look at your complaint, and that can maybe help toward bringing justice to the whole situation. Every detail counts. Look at your bank or credit card statement. See if you can find a company name, phone number, mailing address on that line item on your statement. That could be really helpful. So I hope that you received a little bit of help here. The fact that this is still going around, I made a video about this already. It's flying in on the screen. Where's it going to be up here? Yeah, right there. Right there. Yeah. And you can watch that if you want. But if you don't want to watch it, that's also fine. Like, comment, subscribe. Maybe it's going to come up here. I don't really know where it's going to fly in. Like, comment, and subscribe. The join button is down below. Don't buy Slim Tide capsules for weight loss. It's not worth it. Trust me. You don't want to get caught up in a scam. Thank you for watching.